So I will discuss about the Pareto chart now. So I want to see like, but I do want something, a product to be represented. Let me just get the data in other ways. So now I have the data, thing like this, where I want to drag any categories. Is there? Yes, subcategory is there, and also I wanted to drag the sales of this subcategory wise. Okay, where you can see that data something like this. Okay, now I have even like so if you can take a look at this one, there is a category and sales, and you could see that visualized filters of exactly that uh, that we are having automatically over here. Okay, and now I just wanted to rank, all the products based upon the sales. Okay, let me go back. Okay, I want to make a new measure over here. Let me drag. Okay, it's the stuff that I have with me. New measure. So the new measure is going to be my rank, where I just wanted to calculate for all these products. Rank is equal to rank x of all of this subcategory related stuff. Okay, comma sales. So this is the one where I just wanted to create two few elements for past rank x when count for the function is 2. Am I missing anything else here? Yes. Why? Because I need to keep these things. No, it should be fine, right? Actually, even if you don't want to do this one, you're not required to do this part. Okay. And also, this is not going to be required. Actually, we need to do this part. Is there anything else that we are missing? We are missing this part. This is good, no? All of subcategory, comma sales. Column name subcategory. Okay, without, okay, superstore. Okay, fine. Sample. Okay, added. And even here, sample superstore added. Should be fine, no? Looks like we are not able to still make this part. Shall we check why we are not able to do this one? Subcategory. I want to make a new measure is equal to where I wanted to make it rank is equal to rank x represents the rank of an expression evaluated in current context. Okay, fine. So the table should be all of category. It's not category, it is subcategory, right? we are going to close this part, comma, then we are going to include or involve uh, sales part, sum of sales part, sample superstore of sales. Why it is not showing us the sales here? Achha, we have another online rank. Okay, so I want to delete for this time this part. Okay, I have selected something. Okay, understand. Now I just don't want this part. Okay, now I want to create this measure. Now let's work on this measure, whatever it's going to show us in the subcategory part. New measure, I want something like this. Rank equal to, okay, rank x of table. Sample equals to not table. All of subcategory, comma, okay, now here subcategory, here sample of sales. I'm just looking forward. It's not giving us sales. I think that we are not going ahead along with this, right? This is not accepting. Okay, what if I'm going to make it subcategory? Yeah, it should not be determined actually. Let me just go ahead with product servers, product name, and let me go ahead with a very simple thing that why is it not accepting this part? Sample. Let me just rely on the sales. Let me rank this part at least. I think are we missing a double thing? Like this was closed and yeah, here what is the problem that we are facing? No, in that way it is giving the wrong ranking factor, Suresh. Actually, it should not take. Actually, it should take earlier. I think there are some extra added things it was added to here to this rank X function. Do one thing. Let me identify a separate measure, and so that I can use that one directly. Okay. So why? Because see why I'm facing the difficulty of writing this one. There is a table level scope here. Okay, and inside that one there is a column level scope. If you can take a look at this one, we have the entire data in a single table, which is sample store. Okay, otherwise, if at all, if we wanted to segregate all these things in individual tables, you can do it. Thereby, it will change the way that how we are going to do this one. So now we are under the, only sample store, hence we are accessing everything under the name of the sample store. Okay, if at all, if I am going to take up this part, and let me just rename this rank. Okay, let me keep it like that, and let me create one more stuff like total sales equal to sum of sales. Okay, and I can create some measure like this, and I have something called total sales, right? So I have some total sales here. I can make use that part here in my rank current measure, where I have told you now, which is going to be in discount, inside the discount. No, right, it was there. Okay, where is it? Sample of superstore, and we can say not require all these things. We can use this one. That should be giving us the rank, right? No, I just wanted to remove this part. Here's the rank. Okay, let me select this one. See, now I got the rank. Okay, so now I just wanted to remove this total sales. Now I got the rank. Now I can make this one by rank. Got it? That's good, right? So the only thing is like segregated data. Why? Because I don't have this total sales where I have created it, okay, as a separate measure, and I used that measure directly. Not yes. So now if we can take a look at this part, cumulative, I want to take it even if I want, for example. I want to take a cumulative total where x of top and Let's wait. We are not able to get this rank over here again. Back. Now I wanted to identify this cumulative total. I'm sorry. I think I lost the rank, right? This is fine. I want to create one more stuff actually here. Now I wanted to use this rank basically, and I want to create one more measure called cumulative. Okay, and this one, new measure. Total is equal to sum x of top n. I have to take a value which is going to be a rank. I want to take the rank. Okay, for that I can use this rank directly and can comma all of products. Otherwise we can make use of subcategory, right? Subcategory. Okay, and then comma total sales are there, right? Already we have, right? Total sales, comma in a descending order, comma then something is missing here. I've started the brace here. Okay, two braces I have given here. One brace here, two braces are not required here, I think. Top and off is enough, fine, right? This is the first one. And after all, I have a subcategory stuff, and after that I have total sales and the descending stuff, right? Then I wanted to implement total sales. That's it. Okay. Now I want to run this one. Okay. Okay. Now I want to check this part. See, this is a cumulative total. Okay. Got it? Now this is a cumulative. So the cumulative sales that you can clearly observe. So now I wanted to make a Pareto chart based upon this data. Okay. I can use a Pareto chart based upon this data. Whenever you click on this part, you should see all this kind of stuff. Let me take up one more chart for my convenience. Okay. Let me take up this part where I wanted to add the subcategory and the sales. Where is my subcategory? Here is my subcategory and sales. Okay. So I want to see something like this. Okay. Now I want to make some legend over here. Category, one thing. Also the legend representation should be there. Data labels. Now here in the terms of this line values, I wanted to take up this cumulative stuff. Okay. Now you should be able to see the Pareto chart implementation with this kind of stuff. Understand? Any questions here? And you can see the dual axis in terms here. Okay. See, if I wanted to take the cumulative percentages for the same report, for example, I'm going ahead. Let me say I'm going to have the new measure, which is going to be cumulative percentages divide cumulative total divided by total sales. Total sales, comma 0. Done. I've got the cumulative percentages here. Excellent. Okay, but it is showing something wrong. Should not show something like this. Total sales of all the products is good, but cumulative total is fine. But it should show in the percentages, right? It's not showing like that. See, if I'm going to select the total sales here, where is total sales? Yeah, it is there. I'm going to select this one. Acha, okay, it is going for, okay, fine. See, guys, this is a difference. I mean, we cannot calculate this cumulative percentages. Definitely, this is going to have a deviation. Why? Because the total sales, whatever that we have tried, it is all about the phones. And the total sales, it is all about the chairs. It is not all about all the products. I mean to say all the subcategories. Understand, all of you? This is only the total sales about the fasteners. That's why we are not able to get that part. Okay, fine. Now this is how that we can create the Pareto chart. Got it? So even if you wanted to make out the total sales of the subcategories, I mean, you need to go ahead at the bottom level. Okay, otherwise you will get this one, the total sales of the subcategories should be changed at this part. Whatever you have given here, sum of sales, that's it. Okay, now you cannot segregate based upon by product. Okay, so then you have to group up by phones, actually by subcategory. You need to make group by. Okay. You can even do it by editing queries. If you change something like that you can modify this part. Okay, so any questions so far here with this Pareto chart? Yeah, even cumulative total. Okay, you are saying this is based on only cumulative total. Suresh, I didn't understand your question actually. We did this Pareto chart only based upon the cumulative total. Okay, you're talking about something, right? Yeah, if you wanted to take a cumulative percentage, that the thing is different. Yeah. Finding per percentage, you are saying. Okay. I understand. Okay, let me show you that part even. You are saying this part. So what do you want to tell me here? What do you think of the formula? No, we have to use cumulative total only, Suresh. We have to use the cumulative total, but the total sales is not the It is not of all the, I mean, divided by the subcategory, but it is divided by individual product. Each and every category has its own products, number of products. So instead of cumulative total, you are thinking that, exactly right, cumulative total of subcategory, but we have done the cumulative total for the entire products. Sorry, for the entire, you know, subcategory wise, right? This one. Yeah, of course. But here the thing is, whatever that you are checking this cumulative total, it's going to be, this cumulative total is nothing but the first one, which is going to be 3,30,000. Okay, is by phones. This total is completely based upon the subcategory, not based upon the products, individual products. If I'm going for the chairs, then it is having phones plus chairs, and then storage, something like this. See, you should see the things like how exactly they are going on. Okay, fine. So I have provided you the data sets already. Please go through them. Okay, and as I requested you, uh, please go ahead with the some visualizations. As I told you, like the data modeling part, how do we generally do it in real time? Okay, when we do have a project. See, the advantage is, Suresh, we have switched completely to this kind of visualization, dashboarding kind of stuff. Okay, dynamic changing of all the rest of the stuff. So this is becoming, even though it is easy over there, but the formulaic representations are same everywhere, whether it is an Excel or Power BI, something like this. Yeah, the difference between the Tableau and Power BI, we have a lot actually, Suresh. So the thing is, like, it is very easy for making up the web scraping in the Power BI, as you can't do it in the Tableau. Okay, that easy. And also, you know, the Tableau look and feel is completely different. Okay, and this is a mix and match. I mean, Power BI is a mix and match of all the DAX queries and all. Okay, whatever that you use in the, you know, many components which are being used in the Excel has been dragged and made it compatible with the Power BI, if you can understand. Okay, and functions and everything. So here, when it's compared to the Power BI and the Tableau, there are, you know, and even visualizations, coming to the visualizations drag and drop part, it is very easy to understand with the Tableau, and which is very user friendly. Whereas, you know, Power BI is not that user friendly. Okay, so definitely we should say that Tableau will take the more marks about this one. But the selling point is Power BI is free for the normal guys. I mean to say, like this startups and all kind of companies, but they cannot export however that they want. Okay, unless and until it is a PBIX file. Okay, right. See, DAX means nothing but data analysis expressions. Okay, I mean to say, like whatever the calculations and all kind of stuff that we are doing till now so far is nothing but DAX. That is what we are calling it as DAX. Even we have created and calculated some of the stuff in the uh, this one, right? Like in the modeling techniques and all kind of stuff, editing queries and all. You go to the editing queries, okay, you will be dragged to the Power Query editor. Even there, whatever that you are using, okay, functions, okay, these are all DAX functions only. This is how, you know, Power BI, visualization. Yeah, analysis tab. It will not be, no, it will not be there for everything. Okay, for example, see here there is analytics. This is a statistical representation. If you want, if you can implement any sort of analysis on one particular kind of data, it will be automatically identified and it will give you, it will show you the analytics. For example, I wanted to take it off rank, take it off cumulatives and all kind of stuff, and I wanted to remove this part, or not available for this visualization. So for example, let me just go ahead with this one, and you can see this is a visualizations I wanted to say. I wanted to add a constant line. Constant line is going to be the value, okay, and the color that you wanted to keep it. So the constant line I want to see like 1 lakh, and see, it is showing you the constant line, and you can see it whether dash or solid, and behind or in front, behind. Okay, and you can see based upon the selection, it is going to change the color and all kind of stuff. Exactly, same like Tableau. Same like Tableau, but even you have better even Tableau. Okay, but the thing is, the automated stuff that it was allowed in the Power BI. There it is grayed out and ungrayed out in the Tableau. That's the difference. Okay. Fine. Okay. So guys, tomorrow we will be discussing about the ClickView. We will install the ClickView and we will follow the sessions of the ClickView from tomorrow. Okay. See you. Thank you.